Right, hello. Oh, so the plan was to make the TV and then have that on recording, but that went very, very wrong because I I hadn't set up recording correctly at all. So I've got TV mostly made. So now I think next task is probably to make some sort of a wall bracket for it. So I'm going to go from you, and then in modeling, I'm hold up. Which cube is it? The wall. Not render. There it. That's the wall. I do not need you for now. I want you, and then hold up. Off from the center, are you? Doop 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 doop. Is that centered? That looks centered. Yes, brilliant. Extrude you guys out a touch. And then one down here as well in the center. I should have. Hold up. I want one in the center as well. Or one lower down and in the center. Extrude them all out about the same. And then I'm going to want you moved. So think about this. Probably have something. Let's see if I argue. Alright, so minus 0.5. Oh, minus 0.5 is a lot. Okay. Minus 0.3. And 0.3 gets me. That's too far, I think. So 0.1 on that, and you 0.1. Okay, so 0.1, 0.3, 0.1. 0.3, 0.1, and 0.1. There we go, brilliant. And then you need to be moved 0.1, and then 0.4. No, that's 44. 0.2. There we go. Beautiful. Right, and then if I turn the wall back on. Okay. Cool. Yeah, okay. So then object mode. Move you until you're not quite clipping. And then that into edit. Right, I'm going to wireframe this for now. Yeah, there we go, that's much easier. And then extrude you. Oh. Yeah, I really can't do much. So 0.01. And then scale you 2 and 2. Beautiful. Right then, and then facelift you. Extrude. Oh, both of these guys, and then I'm going to extrude them. Wait, one as well. Want to transform one at a time. It will not rotate. And that's the wrong face anyway. There. 2 and 2. And then, no, this face. Scale. And 2. Okay, there we go. So then that's most of that, and then I just need to cut some holes into these. So this. And oh, don't tell me that isn't an outside face. It looks like there might not be an outside face. Okay. Well, that's okay, I guess. It's the easiest way to do this, I wonder. See. Some holes in this. Let's think about this. What's going to be the easiest way to punch a hole in the corners of these? You know what? I'm not going to bother. I know, it would technically be the right thing to do, but I do not have the energy for that right now. Okay. Oh. There we go. Oh no, there's far more in the wall than I was intending. There we go. Beautiful. Now we have a TV. Where's the TV stand thing? Right. Add me in a new cube. Oh, I'm going to come over to here. Then I'm going to scale you down to about that wide. And about yay tall. And put you quite close to the wall. And then sculpt. Remesh. Mesh. Model. There we are. Beautiful. Is that arguably a little far? Yes, but I... Oh, right, yeah. It's... Yeah, if I do it like this, right? Yeah, okay. No, because if I move these, that will give me, yeah, a slight... I can't just move them. If I inset as a single... Yep. It's not quite actually smooth, but gets me most of the way there, and then I can pull these back to most of the way to the back. And then that gives me a shelf. And then I can, oh no. Select. Alright, I can do, oh. 4 wide, 5, I think a 5 deep. And then cool, did that actually go at all? Yes, brilliant. Alright, so that's there, so to there. And oh, I can't just make sure it's up nicely because alright, offset, move, goes the way back, and then that gives me a thing with shelves. It's beautiful. It's not really beautiful, but you know, it's a thing with shelves. And then I can. I was going to add some feet to this as well, wasn't I? Right. Turn off like cube 1. No, cube 2. No. This will be just easy on. Oh, I guess I need to see through as well. Yeah. Okay, so that foot. That's a foot. That's a foot. I'm probably gonna have. Wait, this will be easier if I'm actually lined up. There we go. Entire rear look. course, I don't want any view but the very, excuse me, and but the very bottom one. And you, oh not you, that one. Yeah, there we go. Okay, extrude. Oh, hold on. That one's not. Yeah, okay. There we go. Can extrude all of them down. Minus not one. There we go. And then back to here. Back to object mode. Yeah, beautiful. There we go. Okay. Oops. That's. Oh, okay. Right. Sculpt. No, not sculpt. That is shading. You. Right, I need a new material. Material. Oh, wait, hold up. Can I add one of. Oh, no. Do I have good material? I don't. No, not really. So, yeah, new material. Right. Shelving. Shelving. Is there any? Uh, noise texture. There we go. And I want a noise. Yeah, 3D noise. No, you don't do. Yeah, okay, so. Shader. Let's see, do I want. Principled BSDF, it's fine. If I. And input base color attribute. Okay, no, you're not actually useful, are you? See, I can feed that into the RAF and make you sort of. See, it'll probably be, yeah, like a purple. Okay. How does messing with. Okay, cool, yeah, so for 25 on that. And yeah, that gives. There we go. It's not a perfect, like, wood grainy texture, but you know. It implies, especially under paint and all of that. Beautiful. So, and then I could add in, obviously, things to the shelving unit comfortably enough. It should probably be punched through shelves, really, given that it's not a bookshelf. Oh well. Yeah, well, just because it makes cable management easier if you can run cables through. Okay, hold up. Modeling, I guess. Okay. Right. So, I'm on punch through selection. So, I can drop it. Okay, from here. Yeah, there we go. Let's do this the other way. Does that help? No, that's not accurate. I want them. In that one. Them. And I don't want... Oh, not punch through. Wait, clear, I don't want them. I do want all of them. And I don't want any of them. Or them. And I do want them. And then I frame it. These the same on both sides. No, they're not. Because which one has extra? That one there has extra. Oh. Okay, turn off punch. Then, no. Right. Okay. Only adjacent faces. And of course that deletes a little bit more than I wanted. But there we are. Right. Joy of joys. Okay. So, and then... Oh, no. On node selection. I don't want that one. Do want that one. There we go. Didn't work how I wanted. There we go. Oh. There we go. And then I can do the same. Oh, I'm just going to use the select tool, actually. This is not at all annoying. Definitely a process I would recommend. Every single time, absolutely. Okay, right. So don't want them there. I want those two. And that one, right? No. One and that one. Yes. And then the same for here. Yes. And down here, it's just that one, that one, that one, and that one, I think. Okay, right. I turn you solid. No, that doesn't actually give me the shelves yet. Okay. Those are in the correct locations. Yes, brilliant. Okay. Cool. So then I need that corner, that corner, that corner, that corner, and that one. Oh, those aren't right, are they? Okay, right. So, oh, oh, it's like, oh, no, that's fine actually. Just destroy that thing. And then, oh, node select, it's you, you, and you. Yeah, brilliant. And you, and you. There are probably easier ways of doing this, but yeah. Okay. Oop, oop. Okay, and then it's just this top. It's just the bottoms of these shelves that need filling. Now we've got top and bottom on every single shelf. Beautiful. Right, turn the cube back on. Yep. Okay. Well, no, those nodes aren't being used at all, aren't they, either? None of those nodes are being used. All those nodes, excluding the corners, right? Ah, brilliant. Boop, boop. Any of you in use? No. It's important to clean up unnecessary vectors where you can. It saves on processing power. Okay, I think that's actually using them. Don't think this. No, it's not. Okay. Ooh, that didn't quite work. Done. Yep, this is why things happen the way they do sometimes. Why you end up with completely unnecessary vertices in places. Alright, because now these vertices here are completely unused. Yeah. Very nice. I think, yeah. Cool. Now, you can, with a little bit more spacing there, you can now run cables behind it reasonably. Yay! I'll probably not go around to running cables, but you know. Apparently I missed those. Oops. Edit mode. Are those actually in use? Looks like they might be actually. Yeah, okay. I'm not going to touch that then. As mildly irritating as those lines are. See, that's the thing is I don't think the used lines show up. I suspect those are actually unused. Right, hold on, this might be easier with. Yeah, beautiful. Ooh, don't do that. Okay, no, that edge is used. Okay, there we are. Beautiful. Ah, shadows. Look. Oh, very nice. It's still far from perfect, but you know, it would probably hold up. Oh no, that cube. There we go. That will affect lighting quite a lot, obviously, because now the sunlight has far less opportunity to come in because it's being blocked by the ceiling. But there we go. I've got a shelf together. It was only a silly amount of work. This system signing out. Hope to catch you all next week. Please do remember to like, subscribe, comment, especially if you've got any questions you want answered. Be happy to answer them either in the comments or in another video. So catch you all next week.